Hello. Please hit like button and subscribe my channel. Also press bell icon for future video notifications. Thanks.
An experimental therapeutic cancer vaccine induced two distinct and desirable immune system responses that led to significant tumor regression in mice, report investigators from the National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Diseases, NIAID, part of the National Institutes of Health. The researchers found that intravenous, IV, administration of the vaccine boosted the number of cytotoxic T cells capable of infiltrating and attacking tumor cells and engaged the innate immune system by inducing type 1 interferon. The innate immune response modified the tumor microenvironment, counteracting suppressive forces that otherwise would tamp down T cell action. Modification of the tumor microenvironment was not seen in mice that received the vaccine via needle injection into the skin, subcutaneous administration. Dubbed VAX-innate by the scientific team, the approach achieves an important goal in the quest for more effective immunotherapeutic vaccines for cancer. The study demonstrates that IV vaccine delivery enables and enhances T-cell immunity by overcoming tumor-induced immunosuppressive activity. The researchers say the candidate vaccine might also be given intravenously to people who have already received tumor-specific T-cells as a therapy. It also could improve tumor control by increasing the number of T cells and altering the tumor microenvironment to make them function better, the researchers note. The experimental vaccine, SnapVax, was designed by Robert Sater, MD, and colleagues at the NIAID Vaccine Research Center, VRC, together with collaborators from Vaccitech North America, a clinical-stage biopharmaceutical company in Baltimore, Maryland. Vaccitech announced plans to advance the SnapVax platform for use in treating human papillomavirus-associated cancer in 2023. Make a difference. Sponsored Opportunity Story Source. Materials provided by NIH, National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Diseases. Note: content may be edited for style and length. Journal reference: Fayeza Baharam, Ramiro A. Ramirez Valdez, Ahad Khalilnazad, Shabnam Khalilnazad, Marlon Dillon, Dalton Hermans, Sloan Fussell, Kennedy K.S. Tobin, Charles Antoine Duterter, Jeffrey M. Lin, Soren Muller, Florent Jinhu, Andrew S. Ashizuka, Robert A. Sater. Systemic vaccination induces CD8 plus T cells and remodels the tumor microenvironment. Cell, 2022. 185, 23, 4317 doi, 10. 1016, J. Cell. 2022. 10. 006 Cite this page. NIH, National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Diseases. Experimental cancer vaccine shows promise in animal studies. IV administration improves tumor-fighting action. Science Daily, the 10th of November 2022. ift.tt/vxol67. NIH, National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Diseases. 2022, November 10. Experimental cancer vaccine shows promise in animal studies. IV administration improves tumor-fighting action. Science Daily. Retrieved November 10, 2022 from ift.tt/vxol67 NIH, National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Diseases. Experimental cancer vaccine shows promise in animal studies. IV administration improves tumor-fighting action. Science Daily. https://ift. TT, VXOAL67. Accessed November 10, 2022. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.